I'm going to show you how to create 10 pieces of social media content in 10 minutes or less using ChatGPT, Canva, and Google Sheets. Let's get going. First thing we're going to do is open up ChatGPT and type in what we want tips on. I have a course creation business, so let's do 10 tips for launching a course. This is something I might post on. And it takes 1 to 2 minutes for this to launch. I'm going to, I was going to pause, but it is going to start giving me some tips. So far, they all begin with D. So ChatGPT gave us 10 tips. I like most of them, so I'm going to select them all and Control-C to cut. Then I'm going to open up a Google Sheets page. Give me a second now. I create a new sheet and I'm going to name it 10 tips for launching a course. And I'm going to paste those in here. So I select the top cell, Control V, and they're pasted in. Then I'm going to add the name of my web page and my course. So Course Creation Studio, and then my web page. It's going to be courses.course.creationstudio.com. Let's make sure that works. Yep. Okay. And then I'm going to grab these two and grab the little square there and drag them down. So now I have 10 rows with new data in every course here, and then those are there. Pricing's kind of weird. I'm going to just delete that one. Okay. So here's the trick for using this in Canva. You go to File and then say download as a comma separated value. So it's File, download, comma separated value, and it will show up at the bottom. Then we go into Canva and let's create an Instagram post that's square. So now we pick a post that looks okay for our data. So I found a little rocket ship, and this is pretty good. If you have a font that you use, now would be the time to replace those fonts in your guide. So I'm actually going to replace this one with body text. Oop, I don't want to. I want to replace that one. Here, let me get this set up. So I'm going to line these things up here. I added a heading text. I'm going to increase the font size to, let's say, 48. I'm going to reduce this a little bit. I'm just setting it up. You know what? Did make that there. Okay. Now it's ready to use. And the last thing I'm going to do is add a logo. So let me get my logo. All right, so we have everything set up, and now we're going to do the bulk edit or bulk create. I type bulk, search for bulk. Oh, go down to apps, go up to here and type bulk, then search for bulk, and then hit create bulk. And what we're going to do, remember that CSV that we saved? We're going to hit upload CSV. 10 tips for launching a course right there. And this is our main topic. So we're going to click that, click the text, right click, connect data, and choose our tip. Then we're going to go up here to this text, right click, connect data, and we're going to do Course Creation Studio, which is the name of our course. Then we're going to go down to this last text box, right click, connect data, put our web page in. Looks like we gotta make that longer. Now we make sure we like the way it looks. All right, that looks okay. We hit continue. It's gonna create 8. Now we can select the ones we want, but we're gonna create 8 pieces of data. We are going to hit generate. And now it created new slides for us. And now if anything's out of order, we just adjust it. So if something was not quite centered because of the text, we center it. And now you have 8 slides with your content pretty much the same created for you. And I should animate it, shouldn't I? So I'll just choose apply to all pages. And now I have 8 pieces of content to either post on the meta or post on just up here in the share, and then post to the schedule. And that is how you create 10 pieces of content or more in less than 10 minutes. If you found this tip useful, share it with a friend.